Today I'm going to be showing you how to make mashed potatoes in the Instant Pot. Hi, I'm Karen Peterson and I own the blog 365daysofcrockpot.com. I love posting Instant Pot recipes and slow cooker recipes pretty much every single day of the year. Today I'm going to be showing you a very quick and easy recipe, Instant Pot mashed potatoes. Anybody can have success with this. You can use it for Thanksgiving this week if you want. I also tell you how I decide how many potatoes to use per person and whether or not you should peel those potatoes. I hope you enjoy and have a wonderful Thanksgiving.
Whenever I make mashed potatoes, I always put about 2 of this size of potato in per person and how many I want to feed. So let's say I'm feeding 4 people, I want to put in about 8 medium to smallish potatoes. I've already got some in there. I put 2 cups of liquid in the bottom of the pot, and then I'm going to cut up all my potatoes into about this size of pieces. You can peel if you want. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, just depending on how much time I have and who I'm serving. Today I'm just going to not peel the potatoes, but it's totally up to you. Once you have all the potatoes cut up, go ahead and add them into the pot with the water, and then go ahead and add in a teaspoon of kosher salt or table salt, whatever you have on hand. Go ahead and cover the pot, make sure the valve is set to sealing, not to venting. And then you can push the manual button or the pressure cook button, whatever model of Instant Pot you're using, and then set the timer for about 10 minutes for this specific size of potato. Once the time is up, you can just do a quick release, add in some butter, and just start mashing. Once they're mashed well, you can go ahead and add in some milk, or I'm using half and half just for a more creamy experience. I just add in, I don't know, 2 or 3 tablespoons is all. And then I add in fresh ground pepper and salt to taste. And there you have it, creamy, delicious, super fast and easy Instant Pot mashed potatoes.